Hey, this is Dr. Macon, Singletary, your friendly North Raleigh Periodontics. This is Mitchell. He's a student at High Point University. Dan's my implant coordinator. Mitchell has just been diagnosed with moderate sleep apnea. We put him on the Metabite, and we are going to perform Nightlase for him. And Dan, what else are we going to do for Mitchell?
Nightlase is a preliminary step. We're going to open up his airways using an erbium chromium laser and an ND YAG laser, which is going to open up the airway significantly. And then we're going to do a titration study afterwards to determine the effectiveness. And then we may or may not decide to also do a mandibular advancement device, which will also open up his airway.
So Mitchell's concern too is having alertness during the day, and because of his oxygen perfusion ratio being low during the night, we want him to get a better REM sleep going on. He's going to go on a weight loss program too. There's several aspects of this treatment. It's not just opening the airway, it's a lifestyle change as well. And we've coached him on that, and he's all on board for it, and we're going to see what the results are, and we're going to document that for you.
Mitchell, you've just had Nightlase done. How do you feel?
It felt great. I mean, it was like a warm sensation drinking coffee, so nice job.
Yeah. So this is Mitchell before, and if he was going to be evaluated on a Malpatty score, his Malpatty would be a very high 3 or 4. His uvula is actually back behind his tongue. The arches in the back of his throat are almost non-existent. And this is before the Nightlase treatment. I'm gonna let Duck out, let Dr. Singletary take over.
Yeah, so this is after, and what happens with this process, it tightens up the collagen fibers in the soft palate. You can see it's lifted up, the soft palate, the oropharynx opening is larger, the uvula is lifted up. Now this is just the first session. We need to do 2 or 3 more sessions to complete the process, and then once a year after that. And Mitchell's already noticed a little bit of airway opening, feels like you can breathe a little bit better.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah. So this is a process, it's painless. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to do. And so just give us a call, and we can discuss it, go through the first appointment and go over the medical history and see if it's to be appropriate for your treatment.